What's up, guys? It's Jack. First off, I'm going to apologise because I'm sick as shit. I haven't been streaming for the last week. Haven't been doing any YouTube or anything. So we've got our FUT champions for week 4. I'm happy enough to get Gold 2, which isn't too bad. So this is just going to be a quick pack opening with very little audio because it hurts to talk. So let's go straight into the red gold pack. We get absolutely no one. Fucking 82. It's a shit pack. Bit Gerard shit. The scrotum sack himself. Nothing else. Right. What a disappointing start. We get Manjusic. Yeah, Manjusic. Not bad. 83. Slowly getting up there. No 84s. No 85s. No legends. No Movembers. You know. No one gives a shit about who the season. Manjusic must go for a couple grand. No. Just 1.2. Standard. Alana, Everett. Yeah. Not a bad little pack. You know, it's free, so can't really complain. Shitloads of contracts, you know I love my contracts. Loads of position changes, leagues, shit kit. Right, let's just store that. Right, let's go to the last rare mega pack. Big Flare, Alba, Azpilicueta. He goes for what, about 8k? 8, 10k? You know, no one decent in the pack either. What did he go for? 6. Fuck my life. So we've got Seragu, Kabai, Keane, Hendo. Just no one really. Pep Guardiola as well. It's just a shit pack. Fucking garbage. Anyway, I'm looking forward to my monthly rewards. They should be pretty decent. I ended up getting Gold 1. I was 3 wins off Elite. Fucking 3 wins. I'm raging. But at least that means I get to go try hard for next month. Because I want those rewards. But anyway, if you like the video, remember, hit that like button. If you're not already, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, peace out.